Hi everyone and welcome to Flying Fox English. Oggi è la terza giornata della sfida 5 phrasal verbs in 5 days. Oggi impariamo the phrasal verb find out. Ora vediamo il significato. Ora ascoltiamo qualche esempio. I just found out my friend is pregnant. I just found out my friend is pregnant. I read his biography to find out about his life. I read his biography to find out about his life. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to find out more, look on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, or my Instagram. All of them are at Flying Fox English. Ci vediamo domani. Bye.